So now that we have learned how to deal with inaccurate data, how to remove empty rows and how to remove duplicated data. So in this session we are going to look at the changing the case of text, fixing date formatting errors and trimming white space from data. So when you collect or receive data from varying sources, it's quite common to find your data contains text in mixed case. Next, it's that is you can say in uppercase, in some are in lowercase and some are in capitalized proper case. It is also known as sentence case. Some of this may be intentional, but often it's not. So Excel does not have a change case button like there is at the Microsoft Word. So you need to use other methods to perform this data cleaning task. Those methods are functions, namely the upper, lower and proper functions. So you can use these functions to help you change the case of text in your data. You can see that the for this we need to perform operation on Excel. So let me open just Excel for that. So now you can see in this sheet, the header row is here using all the uppercase characters. This one is the header row. So if you want to change that to use proper case, then you need to add another row to put the function as. This is referred to as helper row. So for that, I'm going to click over here. You need to just select row 2, then right click it and click on insert. And in cell 2 here you need to write for using the proper function. Is very easy to use. You just need to write just equal signs, then proper and parenthesis start and the reference of the cell. In this case the reference of the cell is A1. Just press enter. So now by clicking this plus sign, you will just drag over to the right side and all the headers, all the headings will change in proper case. See, like this way, you can simply drag it to the end. But you can see sometimes it is difficult to drag the arrow. For that, let me tell you another option. For that, what you need to do, just select the row 2 using the shift right arrow this way. You can select it to the last column and last column is this. So after this what you need to do, then press F2. See, it will show you the function that we have applied, that is the proper function. So now what you need to do, hold the control key and press enter. See what will happen. It will simply insert all the headers into a proper case in this row. So now as I have changed header rows of uppercase in the proper case, and you just want that to use this particular part. So what you need to do, simply copy this and go there and simply paste it. See what happens. In this case, if you simply copy and just paste it, it will give you an error of reference. Reference means that it is not getting proper reference. So to avoid this error, what you need to do, you just need to copy, then click over here and right click, paste special, and here is the option of values. So you can see it is showing me proper values in the header row, and simply click on the row 2 and just delete these values. So in this way you can use the proper function to change text from uppercase to the proper case. So now the next task is to change the proper case to uppercase by using the upper function. So for that I need to click on AG column and simply click insert. It will insert a column to the left. What you need to write here, you need to write simply in the cell AG type here, just type the generation, and in cell AG2 type equal to, write upper bracket start, parenthesis start, then the reference of this AH2 and parenthesis closed. Simply press enter. Just drag these values to the end. So it will insert all values and change the content to uppercase from propercase. So now, as I have already inserted these values of generation in this column, so I just need to click and delete this. See what happens when I deleted these values. So it is giving me a reference error in this column. So to avoid that particular error, what you need to do, you just simply need to first, we just pack the values, simply copy these values from here to the end, copy these cells and simply go here and right click and click paste special values. So when you delete this, it will not give you any type of error. In these case of upper functions or lower functions, or any case where you are using the reference to some other cell, you just need to remember one thing. You need to use the paste special option after copy the contents. Now in similar way, you can use the lower function to change text from proper case to lower case. For that, you just need to simply write equal to lower parenthesis start and reference of the cell, simply close the parenthesis. So let me show you example. For that, I need to move to another cell. Simply go here and insert a cell. Simply write equals lower parenthesis start, select the value or close the parenthesis. Simply drag this option to the last and copy this, and simply need to paste, but using the paste special. You can use paste special option by right clicking, or from here you can also get the paste special option. So these are the formulas, models, transfer, various things are there. So I am going to paste formulas, or I need to use values. So for this option is here. Just simply click this and now you can delete this cell. So this is the way by which you can use lower function over here.